Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these apple pie brownies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a heat-proof bowl and then place in your butter and melt that in the microwave until it's fully melted. Then give it a whisk until it's more of a liquid form and it should be one solid colour. Then add in your cocoa powder and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. The mixture will become smoother and glossier, and that's what you're looking for. Then go ahead and add in the granulated sugar and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency, but that is normal. Add in the eggs and mix those in until they are fully incorporated, not forgetting to add in the vanilla. Whisk that in and then you'll notice that the mixture has become much smoother and glossier again. This is normal due to the amount of eggs and moisture that we have just added. Once you've done that, you can then switch to a palette knife or a spatula, add in your flour and your chocolate chips and just fold those in until they are fully incorporated. Being careful to not over mix the mixture at this stage. You're looking for a clear batter but not to over mix. You can then go ahead and grab your 9x9 inch brownie pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour all of the brownie batter into there, getting as much in there as possible. Then just jiggling it around until it's smooth and level, well, as level as possible. And once you're happy with it, you can then go ahead and take the applesauce. I'm using a chunky applesauce, but feel free to use a smooth one if you would prefer. Place the olives on top, then take a butter knife and spread it all around until you're happy with the formation. And again, you can use more applesauce, but you will need to adjust the baking time due to the moisture that applesauce has in it. So I had a package of kind of crumble mix in my cupboard that needs to be used up, so I used around about half of it on this recipe and half on another recipe. Sprinkled it on top and just added some oats in there before I sprinkled it on. Then got some mini apple pies and cut them in half and put half on each slice of brownie. Then place these into the preheated oven and bake it up. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So the following day, once they've been cooled and chilled in the fridge, this will help make them dense and fudgier. You can go ahead and cut them up into as many or as few pieces as you would like, but I went with 8 portions and this is generous and more than enough. But as you can tell, here is a dense chocolate brownie, which is the perfect way for a brownie to be. Topped with a crumble, and it's got apple sort of swirled throughout, and then a mini apple pie on top. It just works so well. I know you're thinking chocolate and apple, no, but it does. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.